Shall we?
We shall. Heads up, heads up, heads up. Yeah, there's too many that way.
How many?
There's one right on the corner there that's got vantage, but
I'll go and see.
yeah, I have no idea what's over there. This room's single exit over there. What do we have eyes on? Anything good?
Look at your elven eyes, dude. Yeah.
Steve, where you at?
And it wasn't in the right. The right side.
Got one in the right window on the embassy.
I can dart across
Across to where?
to the other side.
Okay. I know there's one in stables.
Oh shoot, did we decide who was medic?
Hey, we don't have medic. We have respawn.
Go.
I'm gonna run for middle.
You're gonna run for middle? Okay, let's
Can cover you.
grab some cover.
I'm gonna run.
Yeah, go.
Is that ally or?
I don't know who this is.
He's ally.
Yeah, he's gotta be.
I have a feeling. Did those guys run to the?
There's a couple in stables, yeah.
That means.
I know there's one in the left window on an embassy.
I'm gonna run to that. The one right before right next to the barrel.
Uh-huh.
I'll run to it. Ready?
Yeah, go. Hey! Eyes on, building right to your left, right behind it. The one immediately...
You might not want to follow the word.
I know. I meant immediately, okay? Oh, God. How many? Steve, you in this building? Hey, you got one first right window on the embassy on the right of the door. Now he's second right. He just keeps moving back and forth.
All right, I'm gonna move over to my friend Carl over there.
Yeah.
Cover.
Yep, you're clear. Two more went back to the embassy. Hey, watch your guys' left side. Someone's in the hospital. You down? Yeah. Hey, straight across. Watch your left side. There's someone in the hospital. Left of what? Hey, Steve, do you see him?
I got him.
Steve, the left red building, far back. The last red building. Hey, how's it going?
Where's he going? Where are they?
There's one that I know is on the back corner of this red-black building. But I don't know if he's taken or where he is exactly.
Alright,
So I'm kind of thinking about going that way. Oh, hey, Steve, he moved up one building. Do you copy?
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Steve.
It means that there's someone a couple buildings.
Yeah, there's got to be a.
Inside. Oh shit!
Hey, right around the corner! Right around the corner!
In that building!
Come forward! Right around the corner!
In the building! In the building!
Watch the cafe! Is that kid still up there?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I got hit. I'm doing it again though. I'm rushing up there.
Watch it, because he's got vantage on that corner.
There he goes. Alright, I'm gonna go around.
I don't know, there's...
Oh, hey, there's the kid. Oh, no,
Is that... That's not...
Okay. I'm gonna move up the next
Yeah,
building.
go ahead. Cover you. If you can. Hey! Hey, kid!
The guys are wasting time over there.
Yeah, I know.
Let's rush the fucking...
There's a couple on the far back corner. The red building on the left, there's a guy back there. There's a kid on our team right on this red building up front. My buddy was just, right in front of this yellow barricade. Right there, that's us. My buddy was just up there, but he got shot, so I don't know.
I got pretty close, but I got popped from
You want to go rush that left side?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll be on your six. Hey, Steve! Steve, that's friendly. Steve, let's go!
No.
Bang, 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 bang.
Oh, no, you did.
Bang, bang.
Sweet, that worked out. I was afraid I was popping you up close. Oh, turn the hit.
Hit! That's how it's going. Hit!
You're dead.
Gonna rush the side of the building.
That's a big kill. I was expecting it.
On the side if you want.
Yeah. Be as quiet as I can.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you guys are already dead? Sorry. Just mowed 3 innocent dead men.
Now, if you want to move on me, I'll move up there.
Okay.
I just know I'm not gonna be able to take shit
More
alone.
careful. Yeah, we need more help.
You wait for.
But there's a lot of guys
Yeah.
far.
Yeah, there are.
But real quick, we can get it. Want to go together?
Yeah. You want on the back corner?
This is intense.
There's one. I see him. Gotta hit him.
Got. I would. Fuck
You were
respawn.
firing at me a couple of minutes, like a minute ago, dude. I was like scared. I'm like, oh shit!
Dead.
Oh, you can move if you want.
There, we're friendly. Watch this back corner. There's a guy back corner, left side embassy.
Nice eagles.
Yeah, watch that back corner of the embassy. Yeah, there's a guy back there. You wanna rush bang bang?
I guess I know where we are. He's waiting down here. You're dead, you can't talk. Yeah,
Yeah,
if you have a corner back in the seat.
yeah, I know.
That's where you know that. He's coming out, he's coming out.
I'm not trusting what's going on in this back corner.
No, they're enhancing window. The backside. They're telling us where we are.
There's someone that just ran through.
We can rush that front door.